what's up? Day 3 is gonna happen today. But today, yes, we are in my craft room, but no, we are not going to organize my craft room today. We are going to do my food / pantry. I don't have a pantry, so they're in my cabinets. But if you're new, hello, welcome. This is Sky. This is one of my Shebas. One of them. Yes, I have 3. She's one of them. Oh, she's my baby. But anyway. Or we are going to be organizing and cleaning my kitchen cabinets today. Well, the food. And I've already previously done a pantry organizing, but you know, like life happens, it is already destroyed. So, and I'm not happy with how the things look, so we are going to get in there, get it done, and I'm going to be happy again with it. But if you're new, oh yeah, I already did that. Welcome to 20 days of organizing if you're new to my channel. I'm going to be doing 20 days straight in the month of August. Today is currently day 3, so yes, let's get into the video. My kitchen is a mess, yes, and I was supposed to clean it today, yes, but we got home late from football practice, and if you watch me or if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, it's always linked below, and I do put my YouTube or my Instagram thing at the end of my videos, but go follow me on there if you haven't already. But we got home late from football practice last night, and the kids weren't hungry, so I just fixed them a bowl of cereal. BBF, I pulled a card out of your bag that day, yes, last night. And then we're on the way home, and they're like, can we go get something to eat? And I was like, no, we can figure out something when we get home, because we were gonna have Taco Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So I totally made tacos at like 10 o'clock last night. And I also did not clean up much. Hence the taco boxes and dirty dishes in my sink. The kids need to do the dishes actually. Dogs got into my hamburger wrapper. So I have hamburger wrapper everywhere. I didn't notice it until this morning, but I just cleaned up the counter over here. I didn't go to bed until 3 o'clock last night or this morning. I am dragging. I've already been and gotten my desk, and I was like, okay, Wednesday, I don't have anything. I am going to get my room redone. I did not. So I need to go find my footstool because I'm a shorty. Again. Anyway, but my sink is still clean and organized. I'm so happy, and so is my fridge. But oh my gosh, this video is going up Friday. So that will be Aubries' Fresh Up Friday. She cleaned her room on camera yesterday. It was so stinking cute. I'm gonna put it up. We're gonna do, after I get done with this, we're going to go through and figure out what kind of music she wants. But she was so excited to do her own video. If you go over and check it out, I'll link it below probably on in this. So yeah, go give her a thumbs up. She was so excited to film her own video yesterday. Maybe it'll get your kids motivated to clean their room. It was such a cute idea, but I edited it last night, and I've sped up a few, so she's got like the high pitch, cute little voice. But anyway, all right, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can come back for the rest was for 16 more days of 20 days of organizing and decluttering my home. And so you can follow along and do it with me. I'm only allowing myself 30 minutes every day. So I'm gonna go get my iPad and start my alarm, or turn on my clock. I'm going to set a timer. That's what those little thingies are called. Okay. And underneath on my footstool. All right, let's get into the video again, because I do like 50,000 intros. We're getting into the video, y'all.
Fill me out with your smile, while the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and bring that beat back. Change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, 'cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The deal is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done.
Okay. I just gave you the tour on my pantry, and I didn't hit record. Yeah. Okay. Ashley, stop doing that. All right, tour number 2. I probably won't get on my footstool because It's loud. Okay, so cans. All my fruit is right here. Fruit, soups, and vegetables. Tuna. There is the kids' lunch cans back there too. Like Chef Boyardee stuff. Okay, so then this is popcorn flavoring, and then my cashews are back there. Coconut oil. I use it for my face. What's this? Goldfish. Baking stuff up here. So nuts, brown sugar, coconut flakes. Drink mixes. Hot chocolate. I'm weird. I can only drink hot chocolate fall and winter, and that's it. And yeah, I have a value pack that I've never even opened. So, and then here is all my salad stuff, extra salad dressing, salad toppers. There's, what are those things called? Sunflower seeds. That's all extra seasoning. So balsamic vinegar, peanut oil, oh my gosh, what is that stuff called? Not cashew sauce. Oh my. What is that? Teriyaki and taco shells. Okay, so here is my my basket of snacks. I know I can go in here, grab it. I know it's usually low carb, and almost Cheez-Its. I literally live on Cheez-Its and beef jerky, but oh, boxed stuff. I hate boxes. Drives me insane to have those. But chocolate milk, Miracle Whip that I'm almost out of in the fridge, so that's my backup. Peanut butter, syrup, and agave nectar. This agave nectar I get at Costco is fairly cheap, like way cheaper than at like Walmart or whatever. Hang on, I'm gonna move my foot. Okay, so this is oatmeal. I prefer these, what are they called? Still cut oats. I love these things. They are so good. And the kids like the peaches and cream and strawberries and cream. Fruits and cream, I guess. Yeah, peaches and cream. And then there's muffin mix. The kids' snacks are in here and in here. And this is their cereal. So Pop-Tarts, cereal, muffins. That is Jell-O and, oh no, wait, up one. Jell-O and stuff like that. But look at this, guys. I have free space. That's so exciting. And I even got my cans out of that cabinet down here. They were in that cabinet. So now I have free space there, free space in my cabinet, or my pantry. And then I was actually thinking about putting the kids' snacks in this drawer here. I'm not too sure. I keep my extra, because these won't fit in my other drawer with the Ziploc bags and stuff. But I don't know. But that's what the 20 days are for, Ashley, you silly goose. Okay, so that's what the 20 days are for, is to wait. You took 30 minutes, your pantry is organized, and I think this is gonna work. I have already done a pantry organization. It was a collab of mine with a friend. It was a collab with a friend of mine, if I can speak. But yes, she is so super sweet. But this was just not working, and chaos happens in my house all the time, so it can turn into a black hole really quick because I don't have time to do this stuff. So that's why I was like, 30 minutes, you can do 30 minutes. If you can work out for 30 minutes, you can do 30 minutes of organizing. That is only an hour. That's like 10% of your day. Actually, you can do it. So I had to give myself a little pep talk. This is all the stuff. I don't know. I don't remember what was in the other video, so I might have to edit all this out, but if not, a friend of mine, she's coming over. I'm gonna see if my in-laws want this stuff. And she's coming over Friday. I actually might do a video with Hunter if I can figure out what to do. Or I might just have all three of the kids do a video because Hunter is into YouTubing now. My little stepchild. I love him. Oh, Hunter Poo. Anyway, but I miss Hunter. Hunter, I see you. I'll see you Friday. When you see this video, you will see me this day. But anyway, I need to get off here and make supper and straighten up this kitchen. Oh my gosh, I can't hold this tripod or this phone. Okay, so I need to get off here, straighten up this kitchen, start on supper. My landlord's gonna come and mow. And I don't know if I showed you guys this or not. Well, when I put all my seasonings over here, I will, whenever I do my Tupperware, I will do all of this. I think I did show all you guys this, but that's where all the gravy mixes and stuff go. I did not like it over there. I was trying to find like a container for it, but it was not working. So, and I still have containers. I need to wash those. They're kind of nasty, but okay guys, so that was it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't so you can stay tuned for the rest of decluttering and organizing. And I have a playlist just for this series, and I'm so excited. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
It's gone.